Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something we all crave: achieving our goals. But let's face it, the whole goal-setting world can feel like a never-ending hustle. Grueling routines, constant pressure, and the fear of falling short. Not exactly inspiring, right? But guess what? There's another way. A way that's enjoyable and, dare I say, effortless. Buckle up, because we're about to ditch the hustle and unlock the secret to achieving your goals with ease. The illusion of the overnight success. Let's be honest. Social media loves to bombard us with these overnight success stories. The six-pack abs in 6 weeks. The $1 million business built in a month. It's enough to make you feel like a total slacker, right? But here's the truth. Those stories are often the exception, not the rule. Sustainable success takes time, dedication, and yes, some effort, but definitely not the kind that leaves you feeling burnt out. The power of effortless action. So, what does effortless action even mean? It's about finding ways to align your goals with your natural tendencies and interests. Let's take fitness, for example. Dreading the gym? Maybe long-distance running feels like torture. But what about dance classes, rock climbing, or even a daily walk in nature? These activities can be fun and invigorating, making those fitness goals feel less like a chore and more like a joyful adventure. Imagine you want to learn a new language. Instead of forcing yourself through dry textbooks, what if you immersed yourself in the culture? Watch movies and TV shows, listen to music, and try cooking recipes from that country. Suddenly, learning the language feels more like playtime and less like homework. Number 1. Identify your why and passion. Struggling to find the motivation to chase your goals? The secret might lie in uncovering your why. This might sound obvious, but before diving headfirst into endless tasks, take a moment to understand what truly fuels your desire. Are you chasing this goal for external validation, or because it genuinely excites you deep down? Think about that dream vacation. Is it the bragging rights of the pictures, or the pure joy of exploring a new culture? By uncovering your intrinsic motivation, the why, that sparks a fire in your soul, you can completely transform your approach. Let's say you want to learn to code, but endless syntax rules sound like a snooze fest. When your why is fueled by passion, the actions you take become effortless and fueled by genuine excitement. So, take a deep dive, find your spark, and watch your goals transform from burdens to thrilling adventures. Number 2. Make it part of your lifestyle, not a to-do list. Stuck staring down a giant to-do list filled with your goals? Here's a hack. Leverage the things you already do effortlessly. Think about the activities you naturally gravitate towards, things that require minimal effort. Maybe reading, listening to podcasts, or spending time outdoors. The key is to piggyback your goals onto these existing habits. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by adding yet another task, you're cleverly weaving your goals into your daily rhythm. Imagine your morning commute transforming into a language learning session with flashcards while you wait for the bus. Your evening unwind time with a cup of tea can morph into a dedicated creative writing session. This way, achieving your goals becomes less of a chore and more like a natural extension of the things you already enjoy. Number 3. Embrace the micro wins. We all know some days are sunshine and rainbows, while others feel like trudging uphill in mud. That's totally normal. even when you're chasing goals. Here's the thing. Even the smallest steps forward deserve a high five. Did you manage to write just one chapter of your novel instead of the 10 you envisioned? That's fantastic. Remember, consistency is key, not perfection. Think of it like a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrating these micro wins along the way is like giving yourself little pats on the back. So don't wait for the finish line to celebrate. Acknowledge and reward yourself for every step you take. After all, those small victories pave the way for the big ones. Number 4. Find your tribe. It makes the journey fun. Achieving your goals can feel a lot easier when you're not going it alone. Surround yourself with positive people who become your cheerleader crew. Find a community that shares your interests, whether it's an online forum for aspiring writers, a local coding club, or even a friend working on a similar fitness journey. This support system is your secret weapon. Let them celebrate your victories and offer support when you face challenges. Learn from each other's experiences, inspire one another, and celebrate each other's successes. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and more motivated you are to feel when you have a positive community cheering you on every step of the way. So, there you have it. Ditch the hustle mentality and embrace the power of effortless action. Find ways to connect your goals with your passions, celebrate every step forward, and surround yourself with a supportive community. Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride, and before you know it, you'll be. Thanks again for joining me today. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.